Greetings, I'm Emrata again. There is another project for Binance Launchpool. 1 month later, now Binance share new project for our planet. Now, how to stake ATA, Automata Network. Firstly, if you don't have Binance account, you can enter cryptocurrencyusa.net and you can click this banner. In this way, you can get 20% discount code for all your trade. And by the way, on this website, you can get information about all cryptocurrencies, most popular and safest cryptocurrencies. I mean this. Yes. Now, let's go to Binance. Yes, we came to Binance. We should find Launchpool. Yes, this is Launchpool Launchpad. There is ATA coin or project. How to stake BNB or Polkadot or BUSD. It's so easy. Firstly, if you don't have BNB coin or DOT or BUSD, you can click this area, this button, buy crypto credit card or debit card. On this page, you should select, how can I show, USD and BNB. So easy. 2000 USD and you can get 5.62 BNB coin. It's so easy, and click continue and turn back to Launchpool Launchpad and click BNB pool for ATA. On this page, you can do this. It's so easy. Click stake, select your coin max and stake. It's so easy. When farming starting, when stake situation started, per 1 hour you can earn ATA coin in this page. On this page, you will start to see your ATA coin in this area, and when you click claim rewards, your ATA coins will transfer to your spot account. It's so easy. See you next video. Wish you a good day.